Guess we'll just dive into this. A little bit of a thought experiment for you. Just graduated college, 4.5 years. Got a job lined up, but the snow's starting to fly. And it looks like it's going to be a really deep winter. You really don't want to start work in the middle of North Dakota in the middle of winter. Still got a lease left. So, what are you going to tell your boss? Well, I told mine, I guess you'll see me in May. I'm going skiing. And let me tell you, that was probably the smartest thing I've ever said.
Yeah. Oh, what a feeling. It's the weekend. Let it begin. Bad bitches in my DM. You should see them. Run game like ESPN. Yeah, me and my bros. And a whole bunch of bitches. Take them home like Miss Simpson. Cause we just wanna party and bullshit. Gave her the cue. Now she all on my pool stick. Super wavy. Surfboard. She turn up. That's a turn on. Yeah. You gotta see the shit to understand it. Living out this world and I ain't gotta plan it. I figured out, I ain't gotta figure it out. No sleep, fuck dreams, rather live them out. Just got me a whiskey bottle. Yeah, alright. I'll be drinking till tomorrow morning.
As you can tell, it was first chair to last call every single day. And really, that life couldn't be beat. You were even able to get some safety lessons from Isaac.
Blake, you can't see it, but I'm actually flipping you off. Rule number 1. Yell dropping. It's not out here, but it's a rule. Start small. Like Blake Pecker. Make a plan. You know what you want to hit, you know?
Every feature, every time.
Are you looking? Are you looking? Always looking. Hey, respect. Fuck you. Hey, and take it easy, all right?
Fucking lean back.
Just take it easy. Just
Lean
take
back.
It easy, hey? You the hey. Who the fuck did that? Rule number 1: when entering your park, always yell, "Stopping!"
It's a winter wonderland, Blake. I'm glad we can finally go home.
But we didn't go home. February 6, 2020 was the storm of the year, and we weren't missing it. After getting about an hour's worth of sleep, I woke up to my boy Connor blowing up my phone, telling me to get up the mountain because it was going to be the best day of our lives. I had never skied a day like that. I couldn't have picked better people to do it with than Connor and Ty. Days like that day are indescribable. I still get goosebumps thinking about it. Finishing up that day, all I could think about was how do I keep chasing that feeling. After all, I had no school, 2 ski passes, and unlimited time off. So I called my boys Isaac and Trent and said, hey, we're gonna rent an Airbnb in Colorado, drive through the storm of the year, and go ski our faces off in Colorado. And for some reason, they agreed to go with me. After almost dying a few times on the way there, our only rations being seltzers, nicotine, and a chicken McGriddle every now and then, we somehow made it to Colorado.
Comes it's 11:11, make a wish.
It's 23:11.
Fucking National Guard looking ass.
You buy a 12-pack of Trulies, you get one for a penny.
Hey, what's up? It's camera guy, stop and go traffic guy. We're here on the I-70. You want to show them the I-70? We're out here vibing with these truck drivers.
This guy.
Trent, you want to talk about your day? Here, I'll hold the camera.
No.
Coombs, what's the sitch?
So we've been in the car for, hold on. Since 9 o'clock last night, okay? And for those of you who don't know, that's 3:20 today. So, what is happening is we ran into this lovely snowstorm.
This bitch closed.
And we have not been able to drive anywhere.
We also haven't been able to ski.
All fucking day. Well, that's more important. We haven't been able to ski at all. It was on
But
the
we did have a
docket.
good lunch.
We had a decent lunch. Yes, we did.
Trent, how you feeling?
Yeah, my game.
We're going. We going?
We're going. I thought this was a song you were playing.
We obviously had the right idea to chase this storm, because so did everybody else.
I love it. I fucking love it.
Fighting hangovers from the night before, crazy high winds, wipeouts, and everything in between, we were making the most of our time in Colorado. And of course, we got some more knowledge from Isaac.
I mean, that's really the key to the whole thing.
What?
Yeah, I know that. It's gonna just be the board, dude. Just be the how board. You would want to go down
Shut
the hill
up.
is how your board wants to go down the hill. And, I mean, once you figure that out, I mean, it's just smooth sailing. I have never skied better. I have been called, back when I snowboard, I have been called the Shaun White of Big Sky.
It must be the hair.
And now I ski.
I smell cap.
I smell cat.
Coombs, how was your day? Trent, how was your day?
I'm doing great, man.
James, how was your day? Sick. Did you get that?
God, I wish I had a GoPro, dude.
How you feeling, boys? Fuck yeah, let's go. Let's get some turns in.
We were just three guys having the times of our lives down in Colorado. Just chasing the storm, finding whatever ski resort sounded the best, and of course, making Jippo GoPro edits. After I graduated, I had so many people ask me, well, what are you doing now? When I told them I was taking a ski-cation, I don't think very many understood what that meant. But that Colorado trip, that was the definition of ski-cation. There was nothing holding us back from skiing as many days as we could, and just doing as much as we could while we were all still together in Bozeman, making memories. One of my all-time favorite quotes is, I wish there was a way to know that we were in good old days while we were still in them. And I think I knew, and I was just soaking them in while I still could. Unfortunately, like everything in March 2020, Cation got cut short due to coronavirus. We only had 97 days on the mountain, and we didn't even get to go to pond skim. It was truly a tragedy. But after delaying the inevitable for long enough, it was time to start the North Dakota summer.